Hi everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing and review. And I'm a little excited about this one because it's the first speaker pod I have tested in 5 years. So can it beat my old trusty speaker pod? Well, let's take a look. This is the PolySync 20 speaker pod. And this is the smallest one of 3 sizes, but let's take a look at how it is. It comes with a quick start guide and a USB dongle, so it's of course Teams certified, so you can use it wirelessly, but it's also Bluetooth, so you can use it to your phone or if you don't have your dongle also. But it also comes with a cable. And you have a little strap to connect to the speaker to carry it by, and it comes in this nice little carrying pouch and a great quality on it. Open it up, and here you have the device itself. It looks very professional with the soft fabric mesh on top here. And let's see, you have a USB cable underneath to charge it or to use it with the cable. You have a power button, you have a USB sync button, but what's this? An USB port. So, from what I read, you can actually charge your phone with this. So you can use this as a battery pack to take with you on the go. If your phone is out of battery, charge it with this. And the really cool thing about this one is that it has an IP64 rating. So you can bring it to the beach, have it outside. It will survive a splash of water and such, so that's awesome. It's a very versatile speaker, so it would be something that you use both for your office, maybe for traveling, and even, yeah, bring it to the park, listen to music. So it's going to be interesting to see how good the music quality is on this. And if you take a close look, you have a label here that we can take away, a rocket button, and this is a programmable button. You can have it to say redial, you can use it to start Siri or Alexa on your phone. You have a dedicated Teams button there, mute, volume up and down, and answer call button. So that's the speaker. So now we're testing the speaker pod. I disconnected my studio mic, so it's now recording from the PolySync 20. And I have it right in front of me. So what do you think about the audio quality when I'm speaking to you now? And how is the audio quality if you start moving away from it? Maybe I get up from my chair, start moving around, don't speak towards the mic, and I turn around, speak towards it, walk around, pacing around in my office. And what does it sound like now? Is it any good? And now I'm sitting down, getting closer to the mic again. And was there any difference at all? Could I go around my office, or should I sit still and speak right in front of it? So let's see. Okay, so let's try to listening to some music on this speaker pod. And I know it's not really scientifically to record it from my microphone, but at least you get a feel of the volume and maybe a little about how the bass is when listening to music. So let's give it a go. wow, that's really amazing. And I have cheated a little bit. I have tested this speaker as my main speaker for a couple of days now, and I have used it both in meetings and for listening to music. Listening to other meeting participants through this speaker, the audio is super clear, and I really enjoy having a speaker pod so I don't have to wear a headset all day. You can get a little bit tired when you have something pressing on your ears during the whole day, so this speaker is very welcome into my fleet of tech. So I will be using this a lot in the coming weeks and months and years. And the great bonus about it, you can bring it with you everywhere. It's really easy to have in your backpack. If you have, say you're in the airport and you find a quiet room at the lounge, you can have a meeting with this. You don't have to wear a headset. And you're on holiday by the swimming pool, use it to listen to music. It's such a versatile and great device. And so this is really a personal both work and spare time device. So it really justifies its cost. It's something you can use for work and for fun. So I give this device a big thumbs up. And this is the smallest one of a series of 3 polysync devices. You have 2 bigger sizes, so I can't imagine how that sounds when you think of the quality of this one. So that's the polysync. Hope you enjoyed this video and give this a test.